This here's Clint.
And this is Jim Bob.
And we are the Whiskey Drinkers.
That's right.
And we're back with a long anticipated wait for Clint's Zombie Survival Guide.
Everybody's been waiting for it.
Series, whatever the hell it is.
Yep.
Now, we got a plethora of shit here. Plethora is new.
That's pretty good.
Sophisticated. Now, what you might be wondering right here is, what are we doing today? Well, it's funny you should ask that, Jim Bob.
Yep.
We're making a do-it-yourself fucking fire starter. That's what we're doing.
Wow.
And what we're going to do is we're going to take these here cotton balls, and we're going to take this here petroleum jelly.
Ooh.
This ain't just for the queers. This here...
It's just for butt fucking.
Hey, petroleum is just what you think it is.
Oh, wow. There's a whole bunch out of there. It's like your personal petroleum jelly. That's weird. Oh, looks like there's blood in there.
Jeez, Jim,
I'm kidding. It's brand new.
Now, petroleum is oil. Or shit like that.
It's like Vaseline.
Yeah, petroleum, I think it's the same thing. I think this is a generic version of Vaseline.
Whenever the shit spills in the ocean.
Compares to Vaseline.
All them little baby ducks and stuff are covered in oil.
Yeah.
It's that stuff. Petroleum is what spills.
Petroleum is what oil and gas are.
You ready for this? But it's the unrefined kind.
That's true.
And this is refined turned into a little jelly right
That's
there.
right. So, being that it is oil-based, it's shit's going to burn. So what we're going to do is we're going to take some of this. We're going to put it on this right here. This here is a bed frame thingy. The bed frame bolts to it. And it's just some bullshit I had in the garage, really. And I thought, hey, that thing will work good. Take a scoop of that, put it in here. Take a lighter, heat that up.
I don't think it's going to... You need a blowtorch.
Nah, it'll heat up and melt. And then, once I'm done, I can pour this liquid shit here onto the cotton balls.
Sounds like
saturate the cotton ball with the petroleum jelly.
Sounds dangerous to me.
Or you can use Q-tips and make yourself like little matches or candles really with it if you want.
Then hold on, question time. Then they're all greasy in your pocket and stuff. What do you do with that?
That's why you have these.
Oh, wow.
That's what the Ziploc bags are for, keep them in the Ziploc bags.
Good idea.
So now, once these are covered with the petroleum jelly shit here, they're therefore waterproof. Because that stuff will keep water away, keep it out. Then you take the ball, peel it apart, so you get to them good inner fibers there. Give yourself a little, well, not that, but a little spark there, sparkle. Should be able to light the cotton ball.
All right, now I personally don't think this is going to work, so I'm just betting that this ain't going to work. I don't see that working. It's going to be all petroleum jelly lubed up. How the hell is it going to burn?
Until you open it up and get to the dry stuff inside.
All right. There's going to be dry stuff. All right, we'll see.
We'll see. I don't know. This is something I've just read about, and it's a preparation hack. So obviously that's something you're going to do when the shit hits the fan, unless you have this shit just laying around.
That's true. So you got to pre-make these and put these in your your bug out bag,
or your get the hell out of Dodge bag.
Exactly.
Or your when the shit hits the fan bag.
Exactly.
Or your what the fuck just happened in the backyard bag. I mean, anything really.
Holy fuck! Aliens are coming back.
That's right. So let's get to this and see what happens.
Let's get down to it.
All right. Now the first step is get yourself a damn cotton ball.
All right, hold on. Before we get into this, I think we need to wear some safety glasses.
What the hell we need safety glasses for?
Well, because that one time the metal hit your eye and stuff.
Yeah, you might have a point there. All right. Let that be a lesson to you kids out there. Always wear safety glasses.
That's right. Don't be a dummy.
Yeah, like us.
Exactly.
All right.
All right, let's get back into this.
All right, so you got your cotton ball here. Got your Q-tip. You got your, this is my improvised spoon.
And what exactly is it?
It's like a crack spoon.
A bed? From a bed?
Yeah, this is like your bed sits on the floor like this.
Yeah.
And like this part here is the frame, like the rail thingy.
Exactly. Wow.
So, and it's rounded so you can slide it around without scratching up the floor.
You see that, everybody? You don't need to go down to Lowe's and pay $80 for something. You just find some junk and use it and make some cool stuff out of it.
And that's what we did here.
It's recycling.
I probably used the metal to make something, and this was actually laying in the scrap metal bin.
Well, think about this.
This shit was going to get thrown away.
When the man was making that in the factory or whatever, or the man who even drew it out and designed it, never would he think that this little thing would be used to scoop Vaseline and heat it up.
Yeah, probably never thought that.
That's weird. I think it's going to start to smell pretty fucking weird in here pretty soon.
Yeah, well, we're not going to use that to scoop. We're going to use a knife. Scoop a little Vaseline up there.
Might not be bad for the knife either. Might condition it a little bit.
Maybe. So we're going to got that there. Take a lighter. We're going to heat that Vaseline up. You don't want to burn it. You just want to heat it up so it melts a little bit.
See if that bubbles or something bubbles up in her eye. Last thing you want is real hot Vaseline in your eye.
That's very true. Oh, it's starting to heat up. It's
it is working.
Now we just want to melt this on down. It's melting. That's a good idea using that thing, wasn't it?
It was. Whoa. You want me to hold this with a Q-tip?
Maybe that's good.
I'll just keep it from sliding around. So you might need your buddy to help you out.
Yeah, this is kind of like making crack right here. It's probably not something you want to do in the wrong company.
Oh, look at that. I can move it around and stuff.
It's melting pretty good.
It's like when I make eggs in the morning, I get the butter moving.
It's melting.
Make sure it doesn't drip on your hand or anything.
Well, I'm hoping it doesn't.
What are we doing again?
We're melting Vaseline.
Oh, man.
That's what we're doing.
Be careful it doesn't slide through that hole.
What hole?
There's a little hole, right?
Well, no, there's no hole. That goes back into the thing. Hopefully it doesn't come out anywhere.
Well,
if it does, you'll hear me screaming.
It doesn't look like there's as much Vaseline in there as there should be.
Well, I don't know.
Be careful. Oh, no.
What are you doing? I can't see.
I know, these safety glasses aren't working too well.
All right, I think we're good there. I think we got enough.
I can't believe that fucking worked.
Okay, so right there, we have our Q-tip covered in Vaseline. Let that dry. Now this here...
Vaseline looks weird whenever it's melted.
It does. It looks kind of clear.
Now this is...
We're just going to
do a little
this here. And we're making this shit up.
Because the point is, you want to coat the outside of it and get the whole out. Is that correct?
That's correct.
Get the whole outside covered with this solution of Vaseline. Now,
realistically, you probably want to use...
Now here's what I would
make a bunch of this at once.
Here's what I would do. I would get a pan, and what you do is you make a bubbler. Or I don't know what the hell it's called, but you take a big pan, and inside of there you put water, and then you take a smaller pan, you put it inside of there, and that'll help you melt. That's how you melt chocolate and stuff. You make yourself some fondue, the ladies will love it.
That's true.
Right here, I would use that. It helps from not heating up the middle pan too much that it'll burn your stuff. And then just dunk a whole bunch in, make some for your buddies, get the family together, make a whole bunch of them.
Don't sound like a bad idea.
Give them out for Christmas. You be like, what the hell is this? You be like, oh, it's survival stuff.
We got enough Vaseline on that now.
Now
that should be good enough.
So it's gonna harden up a little bit, right?
Yeah, I mean, Vaseline don't harden up too much.
But it's gonna harden up a little bit, and then it'll become more of a, it won't be sticking to the bag so much.
Yeah, we don't know. So there.
Now, why the fuck do you have to heat this up? Why couldn't you just dunk it in there?
Well, because you want to melt it so it gets in there.
Oh,
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Now, theoretically, you want
to do this more than that. You want a lot on there.
Yeah, you want to pretty much dip the cotton ball in there. So once that's done, we're going to want to open that up there like that. And then we're going to try to light this thing with just a couple because you might be walking, you might find a lighter laying on the road. Chances are it ain't going to have no damn gas.
But hold on here, the cotton ball would light up anyways, and you barely put anything on there.
It would. However, the burn time would be significantly different. Damn bottle. Because if you just burn a cotton ball,
yeah,
it's going to burn up quick as shit because it's just air. Now that this has this petroleum jelly fuel,
yeah,
it's
I see. So it's more of a fuel on there. It'll burn up better than.
Put your glasses on.
Man,
let's get a spark here and see
burn
what
this whole
happens.
fucking place down. Then just a spark, you say, and I said it wouldn't work.
Well, it might need a little bit more than a spark. What you can do though, is I've heard about this too.
Just let it.
No, grind your.
You better be careful it doesn't light your hand up on fire.
Get some of that flint on top of there.
Oh yeah, okay. That's a pro tip out there for you guys. Oh wow. Okay, let's watch. Now, normally I think it would smolder out.
Now that right there is smoking a good bit.
That's a genuine fire.
But that right there,
oh man,
is gonna burn. You're gonna start a fire pretty quick that way.
Yeah, let's move it back a little bit, just a little
Yeah.
lights.
Smoking pretty good though.
Yeah, it is beautiful black smoke. That's good for the lungs.
Now, remember the Q-tip? Maybe you need a damn candle or something.
That's got it on it, yeah.
So just gonna give you a little light there, maybe. Take a little bit. See, it's gotta ignite the
Whoa, move this.
Vaseline that's on it. So now you got yourself a candle.
Oh, that's pretty nice. Now we're gonna watch the burn time of this stuff because
That's
cotton ball,
warm, man. That's putting on some heat too.
cotton ball is gonna go up pretty damn quick.
Yeah. Now we just took a cotton ball, put that thing in there, lit her up.
Bam.
Now that's already been burning for a little bit. But
Yeah.
let's see how much that's burning, Jim Bob. You can still see the head on there. There's a little bit smooth.
Yeah. Oh
See
yeah.
what I mean?
yeah.
Like, you got yourself like that there. You could use
That's
to start like a regular fire.
if you lit up a normal Q-tip without the Vaseline on it, it wouldn't.
Put your glasses on,
go
Jim
like
Bob.
that. I know.
What the hell's wrong with
It
you?
would not. Maybe should wear some fire-resistant clothes. Now look at that. That one's already out. This one had been
Yeah, that
burning
was-
for a while.
I mean, maybe we need to
Look
turn
at
it
that.
over a little bit, like the other side of it.
But look at that fucking thing.
Burning pretty good. Now this here is about to go out. However, if you turn it upside down, well,
Sometimes, if you
I
can
did a little
catch
too soon. You can burn the rest of the stick up, right?
Now, guys, when you're out there in a survival situation, this is a small little thing. You got maybe some of this for butt fucking in your backpack.
We're gonna have to bleep all that out. You know that.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Yeah, we're gonna have to bleep that out.
But if you have some of that in your backpack for whatever reason, you can always pull it out.
It smells like a marshmallow, doesn't it?
It doesn't smell bad.
It smells like marshmallows.
You could use it for fuel. The thing's still going, and that'll help you.
Help you start a bigger fire.
Exactly, because a lot of times you're kindling going out and
Yeah.
not having good kindling or whatever the
Or
fuck it's
if
called.
your kindling's wet,
Yeah,
you know.
exactly. Bam, boom, there it is.
Like another pro tip there is the lint. Keep lint from your dryer.
Oh yeah, yeah.
Because lint's another thing. You could coat the lint in this,
Every
go up quick as shit.
you're with the group of people, get them all together, get them to dig in their belly buttons, get enough lint probably there.
That's right.
Between your toes, stuff like that.
Now,
But
as you can see, the regular cotton ball,
it's done.
there's still a little bit of life left in it.
Hey,
You have to relight it.
See you later, buddy.
But the cotton ball with the petroleum jelly on is still going good.
Still going. Now you probably don't
And
want.
that's putting on some heat. Put your hand over there.
Oh yeah, it is. Wow. All right, you probably don't want to be going out there and burn the whole pile of these just as a fire.
Yeah.
You want to get some sticks. You want to get some more fuel to help this burn that, and
And this is what you're using to get your fire going.
Yeah.
If your fire's wet, like that puts off a lot of heat, and it puts off a good amount of flame. So it's gonna help that wet kindling start pretty quick.
Wow. That's a pretty good.
That's still
survival
going.
tip.
Look at that, still going.
It is.
You laughed at me, Jimbo.
I did. I will have to say I'm sorry
That's all right.
because I was wrong. I didn't think it was going to work. It does.
Yeah.
That is pretty
I think Vaseline off the knife there.
freaking amazing. This is like some kind. It's like science here too.
It
Dr.
is.
Wizard or something.
It is. I'm kind of like Bill Nye, really.
You are.
Just put it up.
Wow, it's still
Still
going.
burning. Not too bad.
Oh look! Oh,
Just out of nowhere.
I don't know if you guys can see this on the camera, but it just rejuvenated.
Just out of nowhere.
It said ain't done, but bam, it's one little.
Wham bam, thank you, ma'am.
Exactly. Wow.
Well, there you have it. Clint's Zombie Survival. That's a pro.
Pro tip.
Pro fucking what's that called? Survival hack tip thingy there.
It is.
Now I got myself a book, and I'll go into the book later because I don't remember what the hell the name of it is. But the book is just jam packed full of this shit. I think it's called Survival Hacks. So it's jam packed full of shit just like this. So
You maybe
might have-
link it or something.
yeah, I'll have to link it in the description. I'm gonna have to do some more of this shit because this is kind of fun and it's interesting. It could just save your life.
They could.
All right, well, that's it. We're done. All right.
We'll be back with more tips and shit like that.
All right. See you later.
Wait, hold on.
Wait. All right.
Hey guys, make sure you guys go and check out the Patreon channel.
That's right, because over there are some shit that you're not going to be able to see on the regular channel. We got some like behind the scenes and just
Crazy shit.
interesting stories about the videos themselves. So make sure you check that shit out.
Hey, what do they need to do?
Oh, and make sure you need to like the videos.
Yeah.
You need to comment on the videos.
Yeah.
And you, what's that last one? Subscribe to the channel.
Oh,
That's
yeah.
right. All right, well, we'll
right.
see you later.